I've been here 20 years. Half my life. A lot of guys are starting to lose touch. Don't know how to change oil in a car, or wife's car breaks, so let's just take it somewhere and have somebody do it. Specialty is take them apart and put them together.
There you go.
Work on it like it's your mom's car.
There you go.
Right now I'm working on a 1963 Lincoln Continental. You guys can be here tomorrow, I'll drive it in. New carburetor, stuff to make the engine run. All new suspension front and rear, new wheels, disc brakes, dashboard redone, new carpet, all the door panels, sun visors. That's about it. Not much. I mean, a lot, considering that I've worked on it for a year.
What are you most buzzed about this car, man?
Driving something that was made way before I was born.
Right.
And the suicide doors like everybody else likes.